Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how you can save $300 and do this bleach and tone at home. First, I mix my bleach using 20 volume. The ratio I'm using is 1 to 1.5. Then I divide the hair into 4 quadrants and apply the bleach onto each parting line. I then take an inch for each section, making sure I thoroughly saturate the hair so that the scalp is completely covered with the bleach. As I apply the bleach onto the new growth, I make sure to keep in mind not to overlap onto the hair that's already blonde. This can cause breakage, so always be mindful and take your time. You can also use pure coconut oil or castor oil onto the blonde pieces before applying the bleach in case you overlap. Also, another tip is not to wait too long to do your regrowth, because the longer you wait, the more chance you'll get banding. Instead, for an even lift, I'll suggest doing it every 3 to 4 weeks. Once I'm done applying the bleach onto the regrowth, I let her process for about 45 minutes. She's already a natural medium blonde, so the bleach doesn't need to sit for a full hour. But if you have dark hair, then I recommend the full hour and use 30 volume instead. After the 45 minutes is up, I like to double check and make sure the hair color looks like the inside of a banana peel. Now it's time to tone. I'm using Goldwell 10V and a dash of 6SB for the roots to give a smoky gray effect. And for the mids and ends, I'm using 10V with a little bit of clear. Using clear on your formula helps the color not over-process, especially if the hair is so porous once it reaches this level of lightness. You can also add a bit of gold, this helps too. I let everything process for about 7 minutes. Make sure to keep an eye on it because it can go too dark or too ashy. And we are all done. Look at these final results. Her hair is still long and healthy. Thank you for watching. Please comment down below any questions or videos ideas you would like to see.